when I joined the university, I never thought I will come back to the university in the UK and driving around the streets and doing a lecture at the University of Wolverhampton. Because honestly, I studied in Sri Lanka with the intention of uh, working in mechatronics field. That's what my parents asked me to do at that time. So when I look back my career, how it shifted from mechatronics engineering to diplomacy field, the university paved way for me to join the UN high-level conferences at the beginning of my career, and from there I started my career. And it's good to be at the university and give back on what I learned from the experience I gained through my industry. I think that my time in the university shaped me who I am from the boy to man, to be honest with you. This university is, I would say, university of opportunities. We have plenty of opportunities for students, even though I was studying in Sri Lanka. So in affiliated university, they look me as a University of Wolverhampton student. When I reach to them for professors or when I reach to the lecturers, they support me as their own student in the UK. So I got the support. I started my career from there. So university is truly international university who look after all the students across the world, not only in the UK. I went to Brazil with the support of the university, and my father supported me to attend the conferences. Then I went there and I met a couple of more than 350 innovators like me and who came up with new brilliant project idea on environment and sustainability. That conference changed my career from engineering to diplomacy. I was contesting for an election, so I had a chance to elected as a vice chairman of Commonwealth Youth Council, which was formed by the former Queen of England. Then I had a chance to work with her directly and with the Prince Charles, and now he's king of the country. And that's how I get into the diplomacy field. Personally, I would say every individual's actions matters. So that's what I strongly believe. Every single action you do to support the climate change and it matters. All the activities they do, even buying a products or buying anything from the supermarket using plastics. So very basic thing, using plastic straws. So every single actions matter. Every single actions which contribute, which harm the environment. I would advise all the students who would like to join University of Wolverhampton, use this opportunity. This university, I would say, is not University of Wolverhampton, University of Opportunities. We have plenty of opportunities in the university, within the UK and outside the UK, wherever you study. So they look after you as your own student, wherever you are studying. I personally experienced that, and all the staffs here are very friendly, and they know what exactly they are teaching, and also they have industry experts who can support us throughout of the university, and the opportunities for startups, opportunities to learn from experts from just like Jaguar Range Rover or any company in the UK. They have contacts, they have alumni working in there. They're ready to support them, and I'm proud to be part of the university